Economic efficiency is a state where every resource is optimally allocated to serve each individual or entity in the best way possible. At its core, efficiency is about avoiding waste. It means we are getting the maximum possible output from the limited resources we have available. In a perfectly efficient system, you cannot make one person better off without making someone else worse off. This is known as Pareto efficiency. Economists look at different types of efficiency to understand how well a market or a business is functioning in the real world. Efficiency is distinct from equity. While efficiency seeks to grow the total pie, equity deals with how that pie is sliced among participants. When markets are competitive, prices often signal where resources should go. This price mechanism helps move an economy toward a more efficient state. Keep in mind that efficiency is a theoretical benchmark. Real-world economies deal with information gaps and transaction costs that rarely allow for perfect outcomes. Understanding efficiency helps you spot waste in personal and public spending. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more. Educational content, not financial advice.